So 2024 was not very different in terms of the previous one. In terms of, see, what we pride ourselves in terms of SPE is, if you look up at the lineup of speakers that we have, right, we cover every aspect of the business. Whether it's raw material suppliers, whether it is a processor, whether it is technology manufacturers, whether it's nodal agencies or government bodies in terms of specifications and standards and all that. So we had that fully covered. So, and the highlights is I received comments from various delegates that they were extremely happy, and they told me that they're taking back a lot of learning, a lot of knowledge. So that really makes us really happy. Yeah. So I would say it's mission successful.
I would like to add that normally all the SP conferences are technology based. I mean, we have so much of technology to inform the people who come as delegates. So it's not a commercial event where we want to make money out of the conference and say okay we did this event and
Neither
we
do we allow companies to promote themselves.
yeah
We want specific technologies, yes, and
they have to
specific
speak
know-how,
about the technology, the inventions,
applications.
new applications, new materials, and this is what we have seen this time. A lot of new things in the last 4 years have been covered now, and with the market of pipes growing so rapidly, everybody is buoyant and everybody wants to know what's new so that they are not having competition from their own fraternity. Otherwise, people are so much afraid if I put so much capacity of pipes, my competitor will sell cheaper. No, do something different. This is what we also want to promote, and we did successfully at this time.
Yeah, we shared the statistics in terms of what is the growth rate for the plastic pipe industry. Currently, we are at about 37 billion US dollars in terms of the world, in terms of plastic pipes. And by 2034, it's expected to grow to 67 billion. That means literally doubling the capacity all over the world. So, and if that's happening in the developed nations, trust me, India will be 3 times in the next 10 years. So,
So if the demand goes up double, what about the raw materials? So we got feedback from the raw material manufacturers because they are also stepping up their production. So the pipe manufacturer should feel happy that he is going to get adequate raw material. Otherwise, what's the point in additional capacities if you're not going to be able to run the machines? So this also makes a big difference.
what's new? Well, I'm really happy and proud to announce that just day before yesterday, we inaugurated our first medical chapter here in India. This medical chapter will be based out of Visakhapatnam, and we have appointed Mr. D.L. Pandya as the Vice President of this medical chapter, and he'll be reporting to SP India board. And we believe that the field of medicines and plastics in medicine has got a lot of different applications, and the sky's the limit. So we are going to emphasize on that. We are going to hold conferences with respect to that soon.
We will be holding some webinars, and also we will be calling raw material manufacturers because they have the latest technology for all the medical devices, because most of the medical devices are disposable, so you have to find a sustainable solution, and this is what we will emphasize in our next forthcoming events in the medical division.
Yeah. Yes, we announced it day before yesterday. We have an event called PAM 2024, which is coming up in the mid of November. The venue is JWSR. And again, a very good thing I would like to announce is we are doing it as a joint venture with Polymer Update. Okay, and PAM basically is polymers, additives, master batches, and compounds. And we feel such a showcase, such a podium is required for the industry to understand the advances in terms of raw materials, the availability of different types of master batches and compounds, wherein which they can leverage all this information and look at new applications and new areas in terms of which they can service.
Yeah, we have in PAM already confirmed participations from raw material manufacturers. So we are already on the job in getting very good speakers. Again, completely technological, will be non-commercial, and it will be a place to get a lot of information on the new processes, new additives, because now there are so many regulations by the government that every pipe or every product should be UV stabilized or should be anti-rodent, and those kind of things require additives. So additives will also play a major role in the future. So we are going to target this kind of audience for our next event.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for speaking to Paul, and all the very best for you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.